Okay, so here we have a one of these battery operated Dremel guys. I don't have South Africa doesn't have a great rand dollar exchange rate to be able to purchase Fordham tools and so on, so we have to use what we've got available to us, but these work really well. You can generate some good skills, and I've just started on the cylinder here with that particular Dremel tool and that flap disc. That is a Dremel flap disc, and we're looking at this particular part. I think that there where my finger is 80 grit. I'm not sure, but it does a really good job. I go in with a mandrel with 1000 grit sandpaper afterwards. But yes, we've started the process over here. You can see the difference between a carbide bit, which is pretty rough, and this guy here. So let's see if we can do something meaningful on the video so you can actually see. Let's have a look at this particular transition here. Yeah, I'm not very good at taking video while I'm working.